Yikes.
That means talk, Sean.
Oh, what do you want me to say? Talk, Sean?
Where'd you find this guy?
You found him first. I got him second.
Yeah, so we're here at I-29.
Yeah, we are.
Testing for the
What do they
limited
even call
small
it?
tire.
No beater bombs allowed.
Yes,
It
no
is.
boosted big blocks. No cheaters like him.
28s.
28s. We are on
26s, though.
26s.
Yeah.
Because I'm a
There's
real
a
man.
bonus for winning
Bryant
on
back there
26s.
hosts the race, so shout out
guy.
to him.
He's cool.
Chad and I helped sponsor some of it. Not
Yes.
all of it. Some of it. So I told Darcy she's got to come up here and get my money.
Actually, you said you weren't going to pay us if we won.
That was true. That was true.
Busted. Yikes.
There is a $500 bonus to win on 26s.
And we have those. They're
Those are them.
The same tire. Yikes. Same tire.
8.5 inches. is
Same
enough.
sames.
Yeah.
Same. Now, so if you get a flat tire, you could switch those ones out, right?
100%.
Yeah.
Oh, the lug pattern used to be the same, you know, when it was 4 lug. But
Hasn't been that long.
yikes.
Yikes. All right, so what, today's Friday, though. The race
Yes.
is tomorrow.
Tomorrow, we're here to test today.
Getting some testing in.
Yes.
Haven't raced here since May.
Didn't go well then.
Did not go well.
Kind of
so
sucked.
Yeah.
But since then, we've gone up 460. Like
That's
a
pretty.
That was cool.
That
I don't think we're going to do that today.
Oh.
Oh, you guys do?
I
they
mean,
can't see my face.
Well, it's hot as balls today.
Oh my
It
gosh.
was not hot.
it's
last
warm
time.
out here.
It's very warm. Sun is out.
Sun's out.
So, yeah, we are hoping to do okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay enough.
Okay
Yeah.
enough. We're
Okay
just-
enough to win.
That's all right.
Go
That's
down
the
the
objective
racetrack.
every time.
Every
Yes.
time.
Beat the other
We
person.
got the better half of
And
Ken
have
Walton
fun.
coming up. We got
Yeah,
dinner
yeah.
coming up
Yeah.
in Medusa.
So, all right.
Copper
We got it
Fox
warmed up, and we're going to get out there
Give
Yep.
it a try.
with the sun out.
Gonna make
Yes.
their first pass.
Gotta
tonight.
do it. That's where first round's gonna be.
You're
so
right.
gotta
Yeah.
be ready.
You can't make it past first round then.
What are we
What
doing
does it
here?
matter if you make it to the nice time?
Yeah.
I'll cut a light. You guys just got to do the
Oh, I
rest.
heard what happened last time. Oh, the tuner did his job.
Oh.
I cut at 050 when I won.
Yeah, ooh, when
Did
you
the
lost
tuner do his job though? Cause
Yeah, you pretty close back to back, honestly.
yeah. She had
Little wheelie issue.
yeah. Just little
Better
baby
than
wheelies.
spinning.
Oh
That's
yeah. I like wheelies.
Yeah.
Let's do wheelies.
true. Let's not.
All right, let's get out there and get after it.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Sun is blinding me. Well, it didn't go so good.
We suck.
We suck again.
And
Oh no! We suck again!
we had a near miss. That's not to tell time.
You'll have that on those bigger jobs.
I'm using the phone to block the sun. So, we're gonna make some changes, see if we can do a little better.
Yeah,
Go
we need
down
to do
the
better.
racetrack.
Yeah, so. Pitter patter, getting some weight in there. We're gonna see what that's gonna do. Changed a little bit on the tune-up. Problem is, the tune-up we've got loaded sorta needs to go down the racetrack in order to run an ET number that we want to see. So we got to make the chassis handle that, even though there's less traction
Alright, we got
on the
coming
track.
back up to the Medusa Fox
So,
body.
making some changes, trying it again.